Hello everyone, my name is Shreesh. I belong to Kalaburagi Karnataka. I passed out in the year 2020 in mechanical stream. After that I was searching for the job. From the Naukri.com I came to know about the Evision Technoserve company, which is a HR recruitment company, and also they give the training for the jobs as well. Uh, they give the wonderful training where the faculties are very good. They trained well, and they give the exposure of around 1 year of experience exposure. And as I joined the Evision Technoserve, after the 2 months, just after the 2 months, I got an opportunity from the IDC Technology company by the package of 3 LPA, and I'm very happy that I got a job through Evision Technoserve, and I am very thankful for all the faculties which have helped me, especially the Ganesh sir, Anamika ma'am, Sina ma'am, Monali ma'am, Sati ma'am, and all. And I'm very thankful to Evision Technoserve. If anybody you are searching for the job, please prefer Evision Technoserve company. They will help you to get a job. Thank you so much, Evision team.